Okay. Hopefully you guys can see this. Ah, the woodpecker's on the tree. I just saw him. There he goes. See the bees? Dumb bees. He don't like the bees poking at him. But he gets on there. See how far down the nectar is? That's from him. He's drinking it. See? He's drinking it right now. Of course, he has to be on the wrong side. But you can see his head dipping down in there.
Then carefully place it here. Use a brush and red food coloring to mark up the white of the eye.
Told ya. We got a woodpecker that drinks out of the hummingbird feeder.
You want them gooey, right?
There he goes.